Good morning, WRCC fans. We've got another new arrival, or fairly new because we've been around it and refurbished it. 1965 rose taupe traveller. Excellent wood on it, as in not a mark, like brand new wood. Lovely brand new rose taupe paint job, WRCC quality, so that's nice. There's a few odd little bits and pieces imperfections that have come to the fore, but we'll sort that out. So it will be absolutely 100% perfect when it comes to you. But as you can see, the wood's in perfect order, finished in sickings, which some people love. All the chrome's really good. Great tyres on it, really nice and clean. As you can see, paint job's absolutely bob on. Lovely gleaming paint job. I'll walk round her one more time and then we'll have a look inside. We fitted a servo on it, so it's got servo assisted brakes, something that usually be £600 plus VAT. It's already been serviced, so it's ready to go when you are. All you've got to do is ring up, pay for it, and it can come to you and you can enjoy it. So 1965, so we've got 3 previous keepers on the logbook, which is a really nice bonus. Flip you back into portrait, there you go. So reconditioned Cherokee red front seats in it, which we've put in. Great carpets, which are as new. Kick panels, door cards, glove box liners, headliner, interior trims, seats and everything are all absolutely fantastic, as you can see. Really nice car, runs well, really nice and smooth. It's done the old WRCC bumpy road test, so all the suspension bushes and everything are in good order. Starts first crack, runs well, pull the bonnet. Really nice, clean car. Rose taupe's a bit of a Marmite colour. You either love it or hate it. I love it personally. Makes a nice change from Trafalgar blue and almond green. Nice and clean there under the engine bay. Inner wings, bulkhead, flitches, everything's all as it should be. Engine's nice and clean. There's your nice new servo fitted down there. So, in keeping with the rest of the car, very nice and presentable. Something you can be proud of, take to shows, use, run about, do whatever you need to do with it. Boot liner is nice and clean. Inside the doors, nice and clean, not a scratch on them, no marks, glass is all good. Headlining's all perfect, as you can see. Chrome's all good, nice and clean, not a mark on that either. So we'll whip it round back in a landscape again, as per request of one of our followers, so you can get to see more of the car. So really nice clean example, everything that you need to have on it. We can get it out to you straight away. It's on at 15,850 given the amount of work that's been done on it. Any inquiries, give us a call on 01422 88122 and ask for me, Dan. Train's going past. Or send us an email to inquiries@westridingclassics.co.uk, and all the rest of the details of the car and some more pictures will be on today at www.westridingclassics.co.uk. Thanks for your time.